Hey people, those of y'all who know me know just how there's this healing group called Happy Science that I'm completely enamored with. So there is this book called the the Hell You Never Knew, you know, by it's by Master Ryoho Okawa. So it's been said that apparently in the other realm there are three basic kind of hells. That is hell of lust, hell of greed, and hell of ignorance, I think. You know, so and that's what hell of lust is, a place where even people with a bad temper apparently are sent. So actually, reading this book was quite a experience. It's called The Hell You Never Knew. But right now, I'm in heaven with this young man, with this love of my life.
We
So,
made a video of the pyramid.
yes, we'll make another video like that. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.
And do